This is the look I'm going to be creating today. I'm first priming my eyes off camera with the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Eyeshadow Primer. I'm first dipping into this brown shade from the Flower Nose Moonlight Mermaid series palette in the shade E45 Moonlight Land, using a Sigma E45 Max blending brush. Applying it to the crease and outer corner, also creating a V shape in the outer corner, blending out that top edge so there's no harsh lines. With the Sigma E54 brush, I'm dipping into this light blue shade, and I'm applying that on the front portion of the lid, bringing it up into the crease a little bit and just sort of blending it into that brown shade so you can see it when I'm looking forward. Just feathering out that edge towards the brown so there's no harsh lines between the two colors. Just using what's left on the brush to help blend everything out. I'm blending everything out again with that brown in the Sigma E45 Max brush. With the Sigma Hazy palette, I'm dipping into the shade Dainty with a Sigma E54 brush, applying that to the inner corner of the eye and feathering it inwards. Dipping into the shimmery color with a Sigma E54 brush, and I'm applying that on top of the blue, using little feathering motions on the edges to just kind of diffuse that out a little bit, like so. Bringing it upwards. With a Sigma E06 brush, I'm dipping into this brown shade, and then I'm lining my upper lash line. Starting in the inner corner, I'm making the line about the thickness of the brush, and then just slowly making the line a little bit thicker as I make my way towards the outer corner. I'm using little feathering motions so I don't make any mistakes, and then just kind of cleaning that line up as I go. So I'm just stopping at the outer corner here, and then I'm following the upward slope of my lower lash line, and then connecting that with the line we just drew, then filling the wing in. And then just cleaning everything up one more time. And then I like using a little bit of concealer to clean up that bottom edge as needed, just so it's a little bit sharper. Then I'm adding an inner corner wing with the Too Faced Better Than Sex Chocolate Liner. I'm next lining my waterline with the Too Faced Killer Liner in the shade Taupe. And then I'm lining my lower lash line, like so. And then I'm going to smoke that out a little bit with a Morphe V200 brush in this brown shade from the Flower Nose palette. Just smoking that out a little bit, using little side-to-side motions. I'm then curling my lashes and applying a light coat of mascara, and then gluing some falsies to the underside of my lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look. I've linked everything down below in the description box. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next post, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!